Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove screen recording touch point white circle in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. If you if you receive screen recording touch point on your screen recorder file, if you would like to remove screen recording touch point the white circle, yes, you can do it. First I am showing how it occurs. Okay, first go to notification area and go to S capture, and click on record screen. Screen recording is going on. If you touch to open any particular item, that touch point will be traced as a circle. Okay, so now I go to home screen. I open Google Assistant, or I open Google album, and I open this Google folder and go to Google. So whatever I touch on the particular app, that will be traced as a white circle. See here, when I touch on the home screen itself, there will be a small white circle. That touch point will be traced as a white circle. Okay, I stop it. I stop the screen recording and play the file. In the file recording is going on. If you touch to open any particular item, that touch point will be in this recorder file. You can see clearly the touch point white circle. Okay, see here. So if you would like to remove this touch point white circle while recording the screen, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone first. Go to settings, then go to shortcuts and accessibility, and go to S capture and go to this option, that is display touch trajectory. Just to turn off this button, display touch trajectory, so that the touch point will not traced out. Okay, now go to the screen recording. I start screen recording, and now touch on the screen. The touch point will not be traced in the recorder file. Okay, screen recording will not get that touch point included. Okay, I stop screen recording and play the file. In this file, touch point will not be shown. Okay, because the settings is now turned off. Okay, so in this way you can easily remove screen recording touch point white circle in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.